Good morning, children. We are going to do worksheet 2 of unit 2, noses and little fir tree. First question is complete the poem. Complete the poem. I've written over here the first line of the poem and others are blank. You have to write it by yourself. The first line is I looked in the mirror and saw. I looked in the mirror. Now I'll write the second line and saw in there. Saw in there. The end of my chin. The end of my chin. And the start of my hair. And the start of my hair. And between there and between isn't much space, isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. So dear children, you have to write these lines of the poem which is given as a blank to you. So I'll repeat the poem again. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Answer the following question. What should one do if there is nothing much to giggle or shout about? What should one do if there is nothing much to giggle or shout about? Answer 1. Just look in the mirror and then you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Just look in the mirror and then you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Question 2. Why did the speaker thank the listener? Answer 2. The speaker thanked the listener because it helped the listener from getting wet. Do you remember the answers and questions are asked from which lesson? Noses and the little fir tree over here. In first it was what? What should one do if there is nothing much to giggle or shout about? It is from the noses. And second one is why did the speaker thank the listener? So the speaker thanked the listener because it helped the listener from getting wet. Question 3. Why is the nose called funny by the poet? Answer 3. The way it grows and sticks out of the face, therefore it is a funny thing. Okay children, once again we'll repeat the answer the following questions. What should one do if there is nothing much to giggle or shout about? Answer 1. Just look in the mirror and then you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Question 2. Why did the speaker thank the listener? The speaker thanked the listener because it helped the listener from getting wet. Question 3. Why is the nose called funny by the poet? Answer 3. The way it grows and sticks out of the face, therefore it is a funny thing. Now we'll go to the next. Question 4. In the end, the tree wishes to have its old needle-like leaves. In the end, the tree wishes to have its old needle-like leaves back. What lesson do you learn from the story? The Little Fir Tree. Answer 4. The lesson we learn from the story is that we should be happy with what we have in present, and we should not give importance to the things as which we do not have. Over here, you remember the little fir tree story. He did not like his needle-like leaves because he thought that nobody likes him. Even the birds are not sitting on the trees. So he asked for green leaves, glass leaves, then gold leaves. Then lastly he realized that his old needle-like leaves only are better. So he wanted back. So in this answer, what we have learned, the lesson we learn from the story is that we should be happy with what we have. Means we should be happy whatever we have. We should be grateful, we should be happy, and we should not give importance to the things which we do not have, and we should never think the things which we do not have. Now we'll go to the another exercise. Use a and the or x to complete the sentences below. Now we'll do this exercise. First one. I saw dash owl fly up the attic. Now over here you can see the sentence is what it is about. Here it says I saw a owl, right? So over here what you are going to write? Over here, owl is there, here vowel is there. So what will come? A and N. So you will write A and N. Second, that is my favorite time of dash day. So what you are going to write over here? The, T-H-E, the. That is my favorite time of the day. I am dash allergic to dash smoke. Now this sentence is completely correct. So we'll just put a cross. I am allergic to smoke. Now fourth number. Garden looks beautiful. Has dash flowers have bloom in dash plants. So what we'll write? A garden looks beautiful, has the flowers. What we'll write over here? The flowers bloomed in the plants. Here the twice will come and here only A will come. So we'll repeat again. I saw an owl fly up the attic. 2. That is my favorite time of the day. 3. I am allergic to smoke. 4. A garden looks beautiful as the flowers have bloomed in the plants. Now dear children, you have to do this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting.